Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. So in this video we're talking about my 10k portfolio challenge, like what stocks I bought last week and what I'm currently going to do with my portfolio. So let's get to the video. So my portfolio is currently at $781, currently down 5.5% on a day, nearly down 37% total, so it's not looking too good. So what I'm planning to do is I'm trying to add $1,000 to try and make up for these losses. So we're just going to go through the stocks and some stocks I bought this week. I think it was last week actually. So yeah, let's go through this. So the first stock is Biogenomics. I am really bullish on this company. Currently have 28 shares or 23 shares, average price of 10.4. So currently down nearly 35.3%. So I do think it's going to reach $14, 2 to 3 months, maybe longer, depending on the market. The reason I'm really bullish is because they have no competitors. Their technology around the biogenomic sector is really good for the future. So that's what I think about this company. So next stock is Chris. I've talked about this one like 2 months ago. I think I have around 0.10 cents in this because my stop loss initiated when I sold this at 13 or 12 for 20% profit. If this drops below $10, I'm probably going to load up. I see this going to $20 long term, end of this year. But short term, this could go to 15 to 16 in my opinion. So if you guys want a short term trade, you guys can get in this now. The next stock is IDX. So I do have a price quote of this at $3.80. So this is like a short term trade for me. I'm really bullish on this company short term because they just released their financial results and they have good fundamentals. This company just promotes the adoption of commercial vehicles. So I do think the EV sector is growing, so that's why I invested in this. And their fundamentals have just supported my initial investment. So I currently have 45 shares, 3.8 average price. I should have averaged down, but you know, your boy's broke, doesn't have any cash on hand. So always have cash on hand to weather the dip. This is also a long-term play if you believe in Bitcoin. If Bitcoin rises, this will rise. My average price is $52.36. So I do see this going up soon because I think Bitcoin just surpassed the 60k mark. So I'm just going to hold on to this one. Maybe when I get my cash, I'm going to average down on this one if I am down further. It's really good for the long term if you guys believe in Bitcoin. So this play is really volatile because you know Bitcoin. And if you guys cannot handle that, then don't invest in this for the short term. This is called NIO. This is a long-term stock. It's a Chinese electrical vehicle company. It's really good. I do see them growing. Their deliveries are exceeding a numerous amount of electrical vehicle companies out there. So I do think this is a great long-term stock. I might be averaging down on this one when I get the cash, but for now I'm just holding. I do have a 1 year price quote of this of $90. So yeah, I'm really bullish on this one. The next stock is Nano Dimensions. This one is a mid to long term hold for me. I currently have 13 shares, average price of $14.28. Current down nearly 50%. I do see this going to $15 eventually. I don't know what the time frame. The market's really volatile right now. So something I want to point out today is that Cathie Woods loaded up on the stock because it was down today. They loaded up 463,000 shares. So that just gives me some more confidence in the stock. Sonics, this was easy money play. I do hold this for the long term / short term. So I'm currently down huge, 4.12 average price. So I might be averaging down on this one as well, but for now I'm just holding for the long term. So I see this going 1 year, $5 price target. There are tons of cancer patients and their products help those patients. These products can be useful for cancer patients from America, Europe and Africa, and I think many more regions as well. So that's why I'm holding this stock. The market is really broad. Do you think this could go down to the lowest $1.70 or $1.60, but then the upside is much more. The next stock is a kind of a gamble stock. This is SOS. I got this one at $9.04, down 44.4%. I do plan on selling this soon when it goes back up, so I do not recommend this at all. This is a gamble stock and much further stock, but I do think it's related to Bitcoin actually. So I'm just holding this to around $9.50. Gonna sell around there. Down huge. I'm down nearly 40%, but I'm just holding and waiting for some cash. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos like this. Also feel free to like this video. Some of this guys are large ones, so more kind of investing in finance. That's it from me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. See you guys next one. Happy investing.